Gentlemen, what if I told you that a simple white powder sitting in almost every kitchen cupboard could help restore the kind of erections you thought were gone for good? Most men automatically think the only way to get results is with a pill. But here's the thing, your body still has the ability to respond naturally. It just needs the right environment. And here's where it gets really interesting. Baking soda, yes, the same baking soda you probably use in your kitchen, may help support firmness naturally. Before you rush to the cupboard, stick with me. I'll explain why it may help, how to use it correctly, and the simple habits that can multiply its effects. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use baking soda safely as part of a healthy routine for better blood flow and confidence. Quick favor before we dive in. Like this video, comment below where you're watching from, and subscribe so you never miss these natural health tips for men over 50. Here's the truth. Erections are not just about arousal. They're a full-body event that depends on three key systems working together. Open, flexible blood vessels that allow blood to flow freely, healthy testosterone level. L's to fuel desire and performance, and responsive nerves that send sharp signals between your brain and body. As we age, each of these systems changes. Arteries can stiffen with plaque. Testosterone gradually declines, often by 1 to 2% per year after age 30. And pelvic floor muscles weaken if they're not actively trained. Lifestyle factors like stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep only accelerate the decline. The result? One day you notice weaker erections, shorter duration, and less satisfaction. Here's the hopeful part. Much of this decline is not permanent. The body is incredibly adaptable. If you focus on improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and supporting hormone health, firmness can often improve naturally. And that's where baking soda enters the picture. I'm Dr. Ethan Blackwell, a urologist with 7 years of experience, and I've helped hundreds of men restore sexual vitality naturally. Let me break down why baking soda may help. First, it may help balance pH levels. Diets high in sugar, processed foods, and alcohol can contribute to inflammation and poor vascular health. Baking soda can temporarily affect acid balance in the body, which some people believe may support circulation and reduce irritation in blood vessels. Second, it may support circulation. Baking soda can help neutralize excess acid buildup after physical stress. Better oxygen delivery is important because erections are a hydraulic event. Oxygen-rich blood fuels the tissue that expands and firms. Third, it may support kidney health in certain situations. Healthy kidneys help maintain fluid balance, filter toxins, and support overall hormone function. When your body functions efficiently, energy, circulation, and vitality often improve as well. Combined with healthy habits, these effects may help create a better internal environment for firmer, more reliable erections. Now let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes men over 50 make when trying to improve erections and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, overdoing it. Some men think more baking soda means faster results. Not true. Too much can upset your stomach, cause bloating, or disrupt sodium balance. Your body needs gradual, consistent support, not a shock to the system. Mistake number 2, ignoring lifestyle factors. Hydration, diet, sleep, and stress management are all critical. Without them, even the perfume. Erectile routine won't deliver optimal results. Mistake number 3, skipping muscle training. The pelvic floor muscles help trap blood in the penis. Weak muscles can mean weaker erections. Many men overlook Kegel exercises and glute bridges, even though they strengthen the exact muscles involved in firmness and control. These mistakes may seem small, but biologically they affect circulation, hormone balance, and nerve response. Emotionally, they impact confidence and dignity. Practically, they show up as weaker morning erections, shorter performance, and reduced satisfaction. Here's the practical routine many men use safely. Step 1, the baking soda drink. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of warm water, not hot or cold. Stir until fully dissolved. Sip it slowly. Don't gulp it down. Let your stomach adjust naturally. Step 2. Timing. Drink it about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Nighttime is when your body performs deep repair. Testosterone pulses, arteries relax, and the nervous system resets. Step 3. Daily habits that amplify results. Hydration matters. Proper fluid balance helps blood move more efficiently through the body. Nutrition matters too. Nitrile. Nitrate-rich foods like beets, spinach, and arugula support nitric oxide production, which helps relax blood vessels. Zinc and healthy fats from pumpkin seeds, oysters, olive oil, and salmon may support testosterone production. Stress management is another key. Just 5 minutes of meditation, deep breathing, or light stretching can lower cortisol and promote relaxation. And don't forget pelvic floor exercises. Strengthening these muscles may improve blood retention, firmness, and stamina. Step 4. Consistency is everything. Small, measured habits repeated daily can gradually support circulation, hormones, and energy levels. Unlike quick-fix pills that temporarily mask the issue, healthy routines build long-term results. Better blood flow can support firmer erections. Reduced inflammation may help arteries stay more flexible. Hormonal balance may improve energy, desire, and confidence. Even subtle improvements in circulation and oxygenation can make a noticeable difference in morning erections and overall vitality. Gentlemen, age is not the end of your vitality. Your body is still capable of responding when you give it the right support. The goal is to create a healthier internal environment by improving circulation, reducing stress, supporting hormones, and practicing small daily habits consistently. With patience and consistency, you can feel more energized, more confident, and more alive, not just during intimacy, but throughout your everyday life. Here's a quick secret. The difference between men who struggle and men who thrive often comes down to tiny daily adjustments. Hydration alone can improve circulation. 1 nitrate-rich meal a day can support healthier blood vessels. 2 minutes of stress relief before bed can help the body enter repair mode. Stack these habits together, and the benefits build over time. Each morning, check in with yourself. How's your energy? Your mood? Your firmness? Track small wins like morning wood, better stamina, or improved sensitivity. These are signs your body is responding positively. Most importantly, be patient. Results build over weeks, not days. Consistency beats intensity every single time. You're not forcing your body, you're helping guide it back into balance. Gentlemen, here's the bottom line. Half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water before bed combined with hydration, nutrition, stress relief, and pelvic floor exercises may help support better circulation, firmness, and confidence as part of a healthy lifestyle. Age is not the enemy. It's simply a signal that your body needs smarter support. Small, consistent habits can create powerful changes over time. Energy, vitality, and confidence are not gone. They're waiting for you to reclaim them. If this video helped, like, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe for more tips to help maintain men's health after 50. Stay consistent, stay patient, and remember, your body still has what it takes. This is Dr. Ethan Blackwell reminding you that age is just a number, and the right habits can bring comfort, freedom, confidence, and pride back into your life.